The microbits is a microprocessor with sensors, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and a display of 25 LED lights and 2 programmable buttons. You can program the microbit to display images and words through the 25 LEDs on the display, and you can even program it to make sound or to send radio signals to other microbits. Using the microbit is easy. Simply plug it into the USB port of your computer, program the microbit using one of the online editors, download the code to your computer, and then send the code to your microbit. To code your microbit, you will use one of the run commands found under Basic, like on start or forever. You could also use an input run command like on shake. These commands let your microbit know when to begin running the code. From there, you can program your microbit to display different patterns. For example, show icon under basic. You can program it to say words, like with the command show string hello, or play music, like with the command play tone middle C for 1 beat. Once you get comfortable with the microbit, you can experiment with loops, which will save you time writing lines of the same code, and you can experiment with if-then conditional statements, which allow you to make your code more dynamic. You can also experiment with commands under math, functions, arrays, images, and more.